it's Hannah, and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a really pretty purple and pink cut crease look. So if you would like to see me achieve that look, then get out your makeup brushes, and let's go ahead and get into this. So I've already primed my eyes with the Smashbox Photo Finish Eyeshadow Primer, and I've already filled in my eyebrows with the NYX Eyebrow Pomade. It is their Tamer Frame Pomade. So now we're just going to jump right on into eyeshadows since I already have all of that stuff on. I always do my brows and everything off camera so that way we can save some time for the video. So starting out, what I'm going to do is lay down the purple. So I wanted kind of a bright fun purple. So I'm going to go into my NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take that purple shade and I'm just going to apply that to my crease with this fluffy crease brush. That I have applied that purple, I went ahead and just dragged it down to my lid, so that way it's going to make carving out the crease / lid area a lot easier. So now that is just what we're going to do. I'm going to go into my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. This is just in the shade 105 Fair Ivory, and I'm going to be cutting / carving out my lid / crease area with this little brush right here. I like it because it's rounded at the top, and it makes carving out that area a lot easier. This is a very good formula to use for doing cut creases because it's a very thin formula, and it's almost like it's not a water consistency, but it's a very, very thin formula. So it's really easy to glide and to control because it's not super thick. Now comes my favorite part, and that is the part where we get to add the pink. So I'm going to go into my Makeup Revolution Reloaded eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to be taking that really pretty pink shade. It is just a really pretty sparkly pink, and I'm going to be applying that where we just carved out the lid area. I'm going to be applying it with a flat shader brush, and I'm going to be dampening the brush with a little bit of the Morphe X Jeffree Star Continuing Setting Mist. Alright, so that beginner palette didn't really give me the pink that I wanted. So what I ended up doing was going in to my BH Cosmetics Wild Child 9 color baked eyeshadow palette, and I ended up taking that pink right there in the center, and I just did the same thing that I do with the Visionary. I just dampened the brush and applied it, and that's what it looks like. And I actually really like that shade. This is the exact pink that I actually wanted. So now that we have that and I have everything blended out, we are going to be moving on to mascara. So first what I'm going to do is curl my eyelashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler. Then I'm going to be applying some mascara, and the mascara that I'm using today is just the Milk Kush mascara. Alright, now I'm going to be moving on to false eyelashes, so it's no surprise I'm using my Kassina lashes that I use a ton of. These are just in the style 76. I love them, they're my face, and to apply them, I'm just going to be using this metal eyelash applicator along with my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Glue. So I am back, and I went and did my foundation, my concealer, my powder off camera. So now we're just going to finish up, and we're going to do the lower lash line. So what I'm going to be doing first is applying a little bit of white eyeliner to my waterline. This is just from LA Colors. This is my favorite everyday go-to white eyeliner. And you can pick this up anywhere that LA Colors is sold. Now I'm just going to be smudging a little bit of that purple shade along my lower lash line area. And I'm just using this little e.l.f. brush. This is a concealer brush, but it actually works good as a little under eye eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Wild Child eyeshadow palette, and I am going to be taking the white shade right there. And I'm just going to be applying that to my inner corner with this little brush right here. I've actually never used this shadow before, so this will be a first for me, but it looks like it's going to be a really pretty inner corner highlight. Now I'm going to be applying a little bit of lower lash mascara, and I'm just going to be using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara on my bottom lashes. Now I'm going to be going into my Céate London bronzer. This is just their bamboo bronzer, and this is just what it looks like. I'm going to be applying that with this big fluffy brush. Now I'm going to be going in with blush, and I'm going to be using my e.l.f. blush. This is just in the shade Shy. It is just a really pretty soft pink blush, and I'm going to be applying that with this little angled blush brush. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my, I believe this is from, it's from the Balm Cosmetics. This is their Lou Lemonizer. This is just a highlighter. This is a very, very soft, very neutral highlighter. It is not super glowy at all. But I kind of wanted to use it for this tutorial because we got a lot going on with the eyes, and I just wanted to keep the face and the lips very, very simple. So to apply it, I'm just going to be using this cheek highlight brush. Okay, last but certainly not least is lips, and then we're done. So for lips, I'm going to use my Beauty Runway lipstick and lip gloss duo. This is my current favorite lip duo at the moment, or lip combo, so that is why I'm going to be using both of these. They're just a really nice nude color, and it's going to go perfect with this eye look. Y'all, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there if you haven't already, because I'm here for you with new content every Thursday, Saturdays, and Mondays at 6 or 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You can also give me a follow over on social media as well, so that way you can keep up with me, you can keep tabs on me, and you can keep a lookout for when I post and upload new videos. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye, my little unicorns.